Welcome to this greeting card tutorial. Keep watching to see how to make this fun and unique Aloha greeting card. Shown here are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. A super easy way to customize the design would be to simply change the pen colors that you're using. All of the specific items that I used are all linked in the description box below, along with the specific colors. The first step is to take your pencil and simply draw out the lettering and design on your base paper or cardstock that you're using. Once you're happy with that and you have that complete, switch over to the main color pen that you're using for the lettering and simply trace over all of the pencil lines that you'd previously drawn. Here I'm using one of my favorite metallic pens. This is the copper pen from the Michael's Recollections pen series. I find it's great for any sort of copper or metallic designs that I wish to do. And I simply just traced over all of the pencil lines that I'd previously drawn. Once I'd completed the lettering using my copper pen, I switched over to a green pen to do the palm tree leaves. Instead of just drawing straight solid lines, I decided to change it up a little bit and essentially just did lots of thin little dots along the pencil lines that I'd previously drawn. If you want, you could customize this design easily by simply changing the color green that you're using, or perhaps you decide to use two different colors to give the palm tree a little bit of a different look. I decided to keep it really nice and simple. And once you've completed that, this simple Aloha card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this greeting card tutorial for this super versatile card. Thanks so much for watching.